What's going on, everyone? This is a next generation social platform, and I can't wait to share with you what's it all about.
So this is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor.
This is Lyvely, and it's a new way to create content and get paid. A lot of platforms previously were trying to empower creators, and they did a poor job, but Lyvely is actually taking the forefront of creators making an online income and taking it to that next level. And I can't wait to go deeper into this because this is amazing for creators like me and creators just in the space. So this is really great because it's focused on helping you build a community and helping you grow as a content creator. They have their token. As you can see, earnings, it's pretty sweet. They have been all over the news. And they're just looking to be that one where content creators and people can go to really inspire, to create, and to get paid for it. So I love the creativity this platform is bringing to the world. And if we scroll down, you can see that the future is building communities, partnerships, brand deals, networking, all of the good stuff. They've had so many awards through Entrepreneur, through SME Leaders, already $8 million raised with 25,000 users, just insane. You can see that they have a profile that pays all the things that you could want, tips and rewards, selling, community building, exclusive memberships. It's really how DeFi, social media, and the fintech world combine all together. And you can see if we scroll down a little bit more, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube meets the Venmo, Coinbase, the Patreons, the Fiverr, and School. And as you can see, they are on top of it. School is a pretty brand new platform and they are doing their research. So you know that they are on top of the ball. Massive token utility. They have a reduce in transaction fees, redeem fiat for Lyvely profile. You have monetization increases, VIP access, and unlock exclusive features. You can do so much with this project. I think it's pretty sweet what they're doing. Engage to earn, which is a brand new way to earn within the crypto space. We've heard play to earn, we've heard walk to earn. Now you can engage and earn. So that is insane. And I really love that there is multiple streams too. Like you're not just built in and boxed into one stream. You can see there's capped actions and then uncapped. So, I mean, there is unlimited income potential. So it just really depends on you as a creator, what you can do. They have their utility, they have their token flow, and how it all works with inflows and outflows so that everything stays. And I love they have a future revenue model and a current revenue. So you have your monthly subscriptions, transaction fees, and off-ramp and on-ramp, but you can also get advertising and boost post fees, which are pretty insane. So obviously as a social media platform, you do want to get advertising and fees associated with that. And if you can give that to your creators, that empowers them even more. Who doesn't love revenue share and multiple streams of income that you can make as a content creator? If that's selling posts, if that's memberships, communities, there are so many ways to earn with this platform. So I can't wait to go in deeper, but let's go over the founders because these powerhouse, the team that they have is amazing. You should see all that they have done. So let's get into that right now. These are the founders, the team, massive team, and just you can see tokenomics here. Roadmap is massive and just a good solid project that you want to be a part of. If we check out their features, you can see they have massive amounts. They have content memberships, they have paid communities, they have paid to view, they have live stream. I love this, the Lyve stream, and selling, video calls, tips, and all of their frequently asked questions. So in summary, if you are looking for a platform and you are a creator really looking to increase your monetization on your channel, and you're looking for ways to bring in multiple streams of income, if that's social media, by going live, by posting, maybe in the future getting revenue from the advertising post boosts, there are so many ways to really utilize this platform to make a full-time income as a creator. So definitely check out the token. They have a lot going on. Hey guys, remember to like and subscribe, smash the like button, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.